Hi students, O Levels Online presents a video lecture series for basic accounting. In this video, we will cover capital and accounts equation according to the syllabus. These video lectures helpful for those students who are appearing in Cambridge O Levels under CAIE either in June or November examinations for accounting 7707. Let's begin the lesson number 3. What is capital? Let's discuss. The investment made by the owner is called capital. Now we have studied three pillars of accounting: assets, liabilities, and capital. Let's see some arrangements of these three pillars. As per our previous discussion, we perceived that the total resources of the business is equal to borrowed resources plus owner's resources or investments. The total resources of the business replaced with assets, borrowed resources replaced with liabilities, and owner's investment replaced with capital. So we got the equation asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. This equation is called the accounting equation. Now check some different shapes of the accounting equation, like liabilities is equal to assets minus capital and capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. These are the different shapes of the accounting equation, and through these shapes we can work out for liabilities and capital. The implementations of these shapes and accounting equation we will see in working problems and past papers solutions. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, like and share video with other people to learn from it, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more video like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.